Hi everyone, I am K. Jagdish, Research Scholar, Department of Education, University of Madras, under the guidance of Dr. A. Subramanian, Assistant Professor and Head in Charge. My topic is a review of literature on e-pedagogy in higher education. Introduction. Originally, pedagogy is defined as a learning and educational theory and practice. As a scientific branch studying the unity of theory and practice, in this 21st century, it is necessary to consider a new generation that can be referred to as the digital generation, the existence of which is highly dependent on the opportunities provided by digital technologies. Taking into account the needs of the digital generation, pedagogy should react to those needs and develop a new scientific subdiscipline, e-pedagogy. Objectives of the study: to review the related literature on e-pedagogy in higher education, to identify the theoretical practical basis for the effective integration of e-pedagogy in higher education. Methodology: qualitative descriptive research design has been used in the present paper to represent a comprehensive summarization about e-pedagogy based on the reviews of related literature collected by me. This is the summarization of the paper. Totally 6 papers I was collected. The first one is Country in California, Method Qualitative. The title is E-Pedagogy, a Model for Online Education. The second one, Country in Europe, Method is Survey. The title is Principles for E-Pedagogy. Third one, Australia, Qualitative Method. The title is E-Learning, Issues of Pedagogy and Practice for the Information Age. Fourth one, Europe, Qualitative Method. Topic is Insights into E-Pedagogy Concept and Development. Fifth one, Sweden, Qualitative Semi-Structured Interviews and Observation Method. Title is E-Learning in Higher Education, a Qualitative Field Study Examining Bolivian Teachers' Beliefs about E-Learning in Higher Education. The last one, Canada, Method is Qualitative. The title is Practicalities of Implementing Open Pedagogy in Higher Education. Findings of the papers: e-pedagogy is intended for the online college educators, while students, especially those who undertake self-education using MOOCs or free online resources, or engage in informal web-based educational configuration. Ensure and guarantee frequent and regular contact between the teacher and students as well as among students. Develop reciprocity and cooperation among students. Provide students more with feedback than evaluation. Create positive and supportive learning environment. Respect the diverse talents and learning styles in creating the learning activities and materials. Provide students with clear expectations from the beginning of the course. Provide students and teachers with appropriate training for e-learning. Conclusion: the e-pedagogy has been emerged as a strong theoretical framework to guide research in the teacher's use of technology in teaching and learning process. Technology integration in the classroom greatly influenced by teacher competency in e-pedagogical skills. All the educators, teachers, practitioners should know or have sound knowledge about how to weave subject content, pedagogy and technology in a constructive way. Thanking you.